2019 Quailridge, bestseller of all time, the 39 FLML. This is tan with the tan window and door package, and she's a beauty. We're going to go on in and check her out, see what makes this thing a bestseller of all time. Well, the price is one thing. It's only $62,000. You've got a nice big open front room. Everything in these always stays in them. Sleeper sofa, LED lights, nice window treatments and balances. This is the maple, vintage maple interior, fireplace, hutch, bench seat, stainless appliance, 5-burner range, convection microwave, stainless sink. There's the bank of cabinets. Got your 56,000 BTU furnace, house type rear entry door. Got my fisheye lens going. Apologize if you don't like the fisheye, but that's really the only way to film these in the close quarters. The rear loft measures 5 foot. Got a nice air conditioner, auxiliary air, entertainment center. A lot of people convert them into sewing room, storage room, bedroom, you name it. You can do whatever you want to with it. Center loft makes for a nice sleeping area also. So heading back down the stairs and out the front, beautiful plank linoleum throughout. Let's see if we can get a view of the bathroom. Oh, this one's nice. It's got the optional neo-angle shower. Hopefully I can get you in there. Oh yeah, you can see it. Nice. Got the big linen closet here. You've got the headpan for your 7-foot tall people that need the extra headroom. There is your medicine cabinet, sink, vanity, and the all-important commode. Alrighty. That pretty well sums her up. This is a great trailer from Kelly Hicks Construction, and it is a 2019 Quailridge 39 FLML. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.